Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a new Dyson Airwrap tutorial. The tutorial will be on how to get long-lasting, bouncy, and voluminous curls. The first step is to prepare the hair. It is recommended to have damp hair when using the Dyson Airwrap so that you can have longer lasting curls. I used this Seg Beauty water bottle spray to wet my hair. This spray bottle is very convenient and it's very easy to use. The mist is very light, and here I am spraying it all over my hair. And I would say you want to be generous with the amount you're spraying because with the Airwrap it will easily dry down. I got this water spray bottle off Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description below if you're interested. I apologize that I lost some footage for this video, but luckily I have similar footage from my previous Dyson Airwrap video. Just to summarize, I'm just going to show you how I prepare the hair with heat protectant product and also using the smoothing brush. I use the Oribe Royal Blowout Styling Hairspray to protect my hair from the heat and to also hold my curls with the Dyson Airwrap. I usually use 2 sprays and then apply to the hair with my fingers. So here you're going to see me with dry hair, but for this video specifically you will have damp hair. Next you're going to set your Airwrap settings to max heat and max airflow. Once you have prepared all the settings and your hair, it is time to use the soft smoothing brush to take out tangles and to make sure the hair is ready to curl. Since your hair would be damp at this point when you're brushing through, I would recommend doing some quick and fast brushes so that you don't dry the hair down too much. The next step is to use hair clips and also a hair tie to section off the hair. I use the Kitsch No Slip Crocodile clips. These are for all hair types and it works ideally for wet and heavy hair. And I also purchased them on Amazon, so if you're interested, I'll also link that down in the description below. It is now time to start curling our hair with the Dyson Airwrap. If you have fine hair, use the 1.2 inch or 30mm barrel. When using the barrels, look into the mirror and make sure the arrows are pointing away from the face. So if you're curling your left side, your arrows should point to the left. If you're curling the right side, your arrows should point to the right. Turn on the Airwrap and gently place the hair on top of the barrel and then let it suck in on its own. You can guide it by pulling the Airwrap towards yourself or pushing it away. If you see loose ends, you can continue to repeat that motion until all the hair is wrapped around the barrel. As you can see here, I am holding my cold shot button for around 10 seconds to set the curl. After 10 seconds, you can shut off the Airwrap and gently pull downwards and let the curl go. Here I am repeating the process for you in slow motion. So we did the left side, now we're changing the barrel to do the right side. If you are unsure if your curls are completely dry, you can gently just touch the hair to double check. This is just fast forwarding to me curling the rest of my hair. Once I finish curling, I will spray a few sprays of the hairspray in my hair to help hold the curls. To finish off, we'll be using the volumizing brush. I like to use the volumizing hairbrush to give the front of my bangs more volume and to direct them away from my face, because I notice with using just the short barrels, it kind of does get in front of the eyes a bit more. So with the volumizing brush, that can help with pushing it away more. Similar with the short barrel, you want to start with the heat setting and then go into cool shot for 10 seconds to hold the position of your curl. Here is the result. Let me know down in the comment section below what you thought about this result, and let me know if these tips were helpful for you. If you are interested in subscribing to my channel, you can check out my other content like vlogs, college tips, and also my iron deficiency anemia story. So remember to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!